Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. And before I introduce you to the new whip, let me just remind you there's still plenty of time to enter the muc-off giveaway. If you want to get hold of one of these essential muc-off cleaning kits, all you have to do is comment below hashtag FHMB with your name, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up. You can do this on this video or the previous muc-off giveaway video, and there's about 2 weeks left and I'll pick a winner. So now let's get into the bike. Right people, this is the moment I've been eagerly anticipating for weeks. My first ride out on the new whip. So let's crack on and show you it. Da da da! There she is. Now I told you I loved that last bergamont so much. I loved it so much I went and bought the next one up. So this is the bergamont e-trailster Expert. It's pretty much the same frame and suspension rig as the other one, same Bosch motor. Only difference really being is this has got some RockShox Yaris on it. It's got a RockShox Shock Deluxe Select, or Select Deluxe, however you say it, some E13 cranks, and some slightly upgraded Shimano brakes with the 1-finger/2 finger levers. And I've decided to go for an extra large due to the fact moving up to the large in the last one, which was massive compared to a normal bike. It's pretty much an extra large compared to a normal bike. I found the handling on it on the downhill section so much more capable and so much more easy to throw about. I thought I'm going to try the extra large because I'm wanting to do some more enduro races next year. So I'm hoping I'll be able to handle this better than I could handle the last one. Fingers crossed. I have put my short Renthal stem on it, so it's got a really short stem, and move the seat a little forward so the wheelbase is still longer, but my reach on the bike is still about the same. And I have ordered a new back wheel, a 650B or 27.5 rear wheel, so I can mullet it just to see if that helps. The standover height is a little higher than the previous one, but I can still touch the floor okay on it. But I have had to put a shorter dropper post on it. Comes with a 150 and at full extent can't quite reach the pedals, so I put a 125 dropper on it. But apart from that, she's pretty much the same as the last one, but this one comes in beautiful brushed aluminium. And when I saw that in the shop, Lauf Cycles, I said, I'm having that. That is beautiful. So I had to get it. Brushed alley. I've always wanted a brushed aluminium bike. I think they look so sexy. And I'm hoping the suspension, with it being slightly better, will give me a little bit more grip around the corners, a bit more grip over the rocky sections in the enduro races. Fingers crossed. So there we go, the new beast, Bergamont e-trailster Expert. I guess we'd best give it a rip down the downhill track. Unfortunately, the weather has been absolutely terrible around here just lately, so I haven't had the opportunity to get out on this at all, and not really to go anywhere. So we're at the old stomping ground, the downhill section, to give it its christening basically and see how she runs. So let's crack on. Right, so this is going to be my first ever run on this bike at speed. I've only rid it from here, from the van to here, but I haven't even took the plastic off the screen yet. Oh, look at that, off it comes. Beautiful. Stick that in the pocket. Right. Line you up. Let's have a go. Wow, she's big. The bike makes the track feel very, very small. Let's hit that again. All right, let's go again. Faster. Thanks for the water. That is taking some getting used to. You can really feel the size of this beast around them tight little corners. Let's try it again. Let's have another rip. Come on. Oh dear. For some reason I seem to be a little bit scared of it, and I'm touching the brakes into the corners, whereas I never used to do that at all. Why am I doing that? Alright, let's have another go on the downhill. Try not to hold back, just go for it. Chuck it in, chuck it in. Jump into that berm. Still touch the brakes, don't know why. That was quicker, much quicker. One more. Let's see how easy she gets up this massive drop off. Well, there you go, that's the massive advantage with this bike. She goes uphill easy. The old one used to pop a bit of a wheelie up there and then start to wheel spin because I had to put the weight over the front. The same thing was with the full 7.4, that did the same. And because this one's so long, don't even try to wheelie, and I can keep all the weight over the back tyre. There we go. Right, full speed, downhill. Come on, in. Into the berm, turn, give that a jump. Don't touch the brake, yes. Chuck it in. One legger, come on. Woo! Oh yeah, there we go. We're getting the hang of it now. Right, ladies and gents, remember, if you want to get involved in the muc-off giveaway up here somewhere, all you have to do is like, subscribe, comment below, hashtag FHMB with your name, and you could get hold of one of them cool muc-off essential kits. And I think that's it for this one. Quick introduction to the new whip. Next week I'm racing it enduro style at the Birdsall Blast, so that really will be a baptism of fire. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Get involved with the muc-off thing, and I'll catch you in the next one.